so what I've got so far, I made my two channels. I didn't record none of the shit. So I'm here halfway through, almost ending. This is one of my channels. This is the API key. We can view all this shit over here. Um, this is one of them here, CKZ, KZKL. That's one streaming number. I'm using the EIO right now. So then this is where the EIO is supposed to be. And somehow my streaming stopped. All right, here we go. That's me explaining what I was just now showing you over there. And then this one is to resume because the key, this key here, where I'm at. See here, there's the data here. Oh, let me not go too far. Let me let me oh yeah. What the fuck I'm at it to? Okay, I will use 2 gigabytes. I'm sure I'm on 96 right now. All right, and let's do a stopwatch clock. 30. Um, Stopwatch start. Okay, so let's see if I can take it to 95 and see how many minutes ago stopwatch just started. I was on 96, 94. All right, so here this is one. This is the one that's running. This is the free one. This is the paid one. It's off. This is the free one editing. This is the paid one editing area. This same area is found over here. You can do it all from this one section. I just had to go edit some shit. That's why I opened up those other windows. And here, these are the stats. You find these right here. And this shit here, all that shit is in the same place. Right here. But how I said, this is on the WordPress streaming thing. This is the WordPress streaming thing. This is my page for one channel. This is my page for the other channel. That's which is right here. And here are the actual live channels. This one is streamed. How I said, we're using a different key. We're using the key for this one. This is the one that's the key that we're using. So I'm ready. I'm be ready to stream whenever possible. I just need to know right now if the recording is being recorded. Um, so far, I haven't changed the volume settings. I see that this is doing some kind of mic audio is going into this somehow, and then this is back over here. But I will usually stay on this end, and I can show everybody what the fuck I'm doing, and we can run with it. I'm gonna leave it at the price 0, which I changed. This is the one that says product. The price is here. I'm gonna go ask the AI to write me up something to put in here because I have nothing in there. I might change this guy here, but that's my cool little character. And I can upload a picture for the video, the audio, podcast, episode details. So when I'm done recording, I will put the file here. I don't know for what, so I could have episodes, I guess. A transcript file, episode image, duration, the file size, recorded date, mark this explicit, block this episode. I don't. Oh, this is the podcast stuff, and then I can change this to being a video, and then it'll drop in my podcast. Oh, I did that earlier with the settings. Um, so yeah, Straight Talk is a live streaming channel focused on daily habits and routines. Size chart. I'm not too sure why. Oh, that's from the shirts and shit, so I could get that part out. Let's remove that size chart. Size. What the fuck I saw that? Size chart. We're gonna take that out. And product data, channel price. We put 0 inventory, product description, reviews, schema, post data. Let's erase that. Schema, what's schema? Schema post take off the reviews. You don't want to write no reviews. Episode product gallery. I could put more than one picture in there. Yeah. There's no stats. Episode. Embedded code. Movie ratings. Speakers. Tags. I want to reduce this. So we're gonna take out. So that's for the episode. Stats. What I saw that. Product stats. Moving. Episode stats. We can take an episode and bed. We're gonna leave the details. Yeah, I should have put it a little bit even there. Almost even. Product data. Episode detail. Let's do that. I have the product data first and episode details. Da 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 da. Okay. Let's come back in. See how far we've been. From 96. We've made it to 97. And that's 5 minutes. So 25 is 5. So you get about 20 minutes. Huh. We can do some shit there. How I'm showing up 3 times, that fucking part I don't understand. That's why I gotta figure that one out. Why am I showing up 3 times? It's like on the bottom, on the top, and in the middle. And I got that on top and bottom. But this one, 3 viewers are there though. There's 3 people viewing this shit. Oh, I went crazy. And then this one viewer is me. I got 3 viewers. I don't know who the fuck the viewers are. I'm gonna shut it down. I already wasted what 20 something minutes here. Let's see if I made it to 50. I haven't made it to 50. It's gonna be like 68, because it's 7 minutes. So 96.50 will be exactly at like 10 minutes. Yeah, I just made 7 minutes, and that's 14, something like that. All right. So that's pretty cool what I've done so far. I wonder if that runs in the background what I'm calling this dumb bitch. Crazy ass wife. I don't know. That's my pet name, dumb bitch, but she don't really reply to it. So, this is the last few minutes. I need to do something. I need to turn this on and see.
Yeah.
Did you find guys?
I'm just coming back. I went and got Chinese food.
How far are you from the house?
On our road right now.
Whatever. I was gonna ask you to buy cigarettes, but I'll go get
No,
them.
I'm already pulling up.
Whatever. Bye.
Oh.
So I'm sure this is gonna get an echo. That's in the last few minutes of the video. Let me go see my timer. My timer is on 8:26. Let's turn it off now. So yeah, that's the cruise control of how to set up a live streaming, paid and free video broadcasting. How much does it cost? Um, it costs me no money, but I could sell something like this without streaming time, without any streaming time. This shit up here without no streaming time, right here. Is um, I would say I could make a personal shit like this, and you can have people like sign up to the website and do their own podcasting kind of shit. Also, it just happen to have a theme to it. I haven't dealt with the theme yet. It's in my website. I was thinking of a multiple website that I could jump into another area of a domain name, but no, for now this is all good. So I'm going up on 10 minutes. Let me see what my time goes to. 9:45, 47, 46. Yeah. So we did 10 minutes in a point 50. Keep that in record. So I could turn this shit off. I could really turn this shit off right now. Turn off. Okay. Turn off. Okay. And then pause. Turn off. Turn off. So that means that this went off. If I refresh, that's off the air. Off the air. This one should give me some stats. I am still recording on the other side because I can record all I want and I can make it as long as I want on my end. So it's like when I shut this off, we can say we go to the website and we can still be talking. Um, how can I embed? This is off the air. Is it still on there? Off. It should be. You're not live at this moment. Please catch back later. You're not live at the moment. Please catch back later. So this should be off the air. 6. I'm headed to 6 people watching. Huh? And I didn't even advertise. Ready to go inside? Come on. think I turned off my motherfucking camera. So yeah, I'm going to turn off the recording.